Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bookersadda. This is Keerti and today I'm going to tell you about this book named Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T Kiyosaki. One of the best finance book. Firstly, let me tell you about the author. Robert T Kiyosaki is a businessman and an author. He is founder of Rich Global LLC and a company, Rich Dad Company, which provides personal finance and business education to the people through books and videos. Rich Dad Poor Dad encourages us to explore more options on how to make money in order to escape rat race. Here, author called his father as poor dad and his best friend father as rich dad. This is written in a very entertaining way and a very simple way to make you understand that how to make money. Here, I will tell you 5 lessons which I learned from this book. So let's start. The most important lesson Rich Dad taught in this book is to keep using your brain. Try to work for free, then your mind will show you ways to make money and you will see things that other people can't see. Poor dad is stressed about scholastic education while rich dad always is stressed about financial education. When faced with the opportunity, rich dad always asks himself, how can I afford it? And this forces his mind to think and come up with creative ideas to be able to take the advantage of the opportunity, while poor dad would dismiss it by saying that it is bad, I can't afford it. Poor dad told Kiyosaki that when it comes to money, the risk was something that should be avoided or played safe, while Rich Dad taught him to learn how to manage risk. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki that he should get a job to learn and acquire necessary skills so that he could go on to start his own business, while Poor Dad saw his job as the source of income for life. Rich Dad taught author to strive to become financially independent. On other hand, Poor Dad taught him to depend on his employer for his financial well-being. The last one is do charity. If you see rich people, they all do charity. Rich Dad also did charity and he always told Kiyosaki to do charity. So yeah, these are those 5 lessons which I learned from this book. If you want to be financially independent, then must read this book. This book will help you a lot and it will help you to understand that where we should invest and why. So yeah, this is today's video. Do share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.